around here, the Ram Man, a friend of mine gave us this 1960 Dodge truck to play with. It's got our new disc brake kit on it that was in Mopar Collector's Guide. Of course, we designed a new power unit for it, so now this thing has power disc brakes. What was a completely undrivable vehicle now is a pleasure to drive. From about 40 miles an hour, I'm going to show you how well this vehicle is going to stop. Matter of fact, I'm going to bring it to a grinding, screeching stop with 2 fingers. All right? Yes. Finally, people with these trucks can drive around and feel safe. So, here we go right here. Everything's factory. We're going to head down this road. Let's go. Get up to about 40 miles an hour, and then Zach's going to take a picture of the brake pedal. Alright friends, we're getting ready to do a stop, and I'm just going to use 2 fingers. Watch closely.